Welcome to
Jamaica, man.
We've spent the entire last week on board Odyssey of the Seas with Royal Caribbean, and although this is our last stop, we have absolutely nothing planned, but we're gonna head to the port, explore town for a bit, and see what we find. We cannot wait to show you guys around Jamaica. Heard that Falmouth is very historical, so we figure we might as well just walk around town, kind of explore for a bit. Our port day is super short.
And it's all the way in the morning. We leave at 1 p.m. in the afternoon.
Yeah, we'll see what we find. After exploring the area and making our way to see the famous yellow Falmouth courthouse,
No, thank you.
and nearby Water Square, the first area in all of Jamaica to have running water, we realized that the other sites we wanted to see were a bit far for walking, so we decided to book a pedicab.
Welcome to Jamaica, man. You're hanging out with the boy, Mr. Happy. Jamaica, one love. So we gained independent from the British 1962, yeah?
You okay? Hey, Mike.
Hey, birthday man.
How old are you? 16?
That's pretty good because he's 61.
The population of people here in Falmouth is around 8,000 people, yeah? Only a handful of people, actually everyone know each other, yeah? So
Yeah.
we share a lot of love.
I would recommend getting a pedicab if you're here in the port. It's way easier than walking.
Along the way, we stopped at places like the city's year-round Christmas tree, some churches, the local tax building because apparently it's the nicest in town, a local hospital where we were assured we could get treatment if needed, and even met some locals.
Mr. Edward Barrow is one of the wealthiest men here in Falmouth. So this was one of the land that he donated for them to construct the church on.
My business, okay? What you do when we come to Jamaica, you spend with the locals. Magnet. This is one of our famous Prime Minister, Michael Manley.
Okay.
This is the one you see in the movie. Bob Marley new movie, okay?
Yeah.
I want love. All right? All right. Next time, okay? Bye.
And after a few more breaks,
This is one of the best food in Jamaica, man. This is the hockey. Oh my God, when you mix it with your strong provision season like your honey and your... Oh my God, it's one of the best.
we even drove by one of the first woman-owned buildings in all of Falmouth.
Elizabeth Somerville.
Oh, wow. Before eventually making our way back past the courthouse and into the gated port area, where we then visited a local brewery to celebrate Mike's birthday. Although to be honest, the celebration on board the Odyssey of the Seas was hard to beat. Happy birthday to you! And with just 2 hours left to explore Jamaica, we decided to wander the port in hopes of trying some local foods before having to make our way back on board our cruise ship. And we got ourselves a Red Stripe beer, which is like the national beer of Jamaica. And we're gonna try some jerk chicken.
Thank you. We needed a fork.
That looks pretty good.
Way better than the ships. Oh, it is good. And that,
Actually, it's really good. Recommend.
I got a patty. A beef patty.
The flavor is really good.
Yeah.
It's pretty tasty. I actually like it.
Do you?
Yeah, but I don't eat my hair.
We're getting a mango. Thank you.
Thank you, Got your mango?
Whole mango. Again, coconut.
How much have we had to eat today?
A lot. Here, one coconut.
Yeah, can you get 4?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tyler, you're standing next to the coconut tree.
Perfect.
Unfortunately, our time in Jamaica has come to an end, and although we had an incredible time, it was definitely way too short. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye. Hi. Hi, Pidgey.